How to disable comments on YouTube video on mobile. So the very first step is to open your YouTube app and then go to your library found on the bottom right corner of the screen. And then press on this three dots found on the upper rightmost part of your video and then click on edit right here. Wait for it to load and choose comments, which can be seen on the bottommost part, and click on disable comments. Press back, click on save found on the upper right corner, and then now your comments will be disabled. So again, go to your library found on the lower right corner of the screen, click on your videos, and then choose your video. Once you have chosen your video, click on the three dots found on the upper right corner, click on comments and disable comments. So that's it. That's how you can disable comments on YouTube video on mobile.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.